Yeah, I think. Well, I just saw the tech's been knocked on its head a bit. The Nasdaq. Actually, the UK. I was just looking at that. They raised rates, didn't they, as expected? But hasn't done much to the footsie there. You can see it's just pushing it into that support down there, the previous lows. DAX got knocked on the head as well, so that was around the same time, wasn't it? They've had they got pushed down. They had was it ECB was talking, so they must be talking up rates or something like that, inflation. So and we got so Nasdaq. That's sort of, I'm going to try that one tonight as well. I want to see what happens with that. Um, so that's the open 12:30. We're coming into the another 10 minutes to that opens. That's looking good for a bit of a breakthrough. 14,693. These lows. That actually doesn't look. Oh yeah, yeah. Right. So here's So I've got this support down here, 635, which I think, what if we break that? Was it 694, 635? So you've got 60 points if it's going to push into that level to get, say we're going, just say we're going for 20 on that breakout. I think that, yeah, so just down here. Oh, in here, yeah, yeah. Well, there's all these levels down here, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, yep, yep, yep. So we're pushing. Yeah, that looks pretty nice at the moment. That's a big, it's probably a big swing down. I'll get back to that 1 minute. So yes, to start with, I'm going to try to play probably because that's the upside there from the open at 12:30, which it's been all way one way down. So if it's going to go up 836, that's a decent rally just on the open to expect, which you could do, I guess. But I'll be looking on the downside just for that one there. Oh, yep, yep, yep. Yeah, I would. I've been liking to see those moves. If it bounces up again a bit more, it'd probably flush up through here. That's what I'd expect. That would be nice. Yes, ideally, that would be a good move. I'd like to see that. And that Dow, that looks like the Dow is doing that now. We've got 8, 9 minutes to go till it opens. Yeah, this one's. G'day, mate. So that looks a bit different. Yeah, yeah. 230. Well, that's a pretty good level, I think, up at 35, 670. That's through here. So I think we spoke about that level. It might have been a couple of nights ago. Might have been that level. That I would expect it to push now. It's just pushing there to what time's that? That's this morning, early hours of this morning. Just after the close, and it's pretty much been creeping down since. Mm, down here, yeah. God, if I can flush into that, that'd be nice. Yeah, true. The Nasdaq's a lot weaker than this one. Yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning, I was watching it, and the market just went down, straight down. Everything just took off. What happened there? Facebook. Oh, really? So we're just talking about that's the Nasdaq, the tech. That's been knocked on it since 12:30, so that's been sold off quite hard. That's what's that? That's 836. I'll just get the measure. I love this little measure thing. 134 points. 134 points down in what? That's since 12:30. So that's been knocked off a bit, but the actual DOW hasn't fared too bad, I wouldn't think, since 12:30. Actually, that's still over 100 points. So they've both been sold down. I think it's rate rises. It's a BOE rate raised rates. But it must be the ECB were talking not long after them about midnight. So that and they might be talking up rates or something. So I think it's spooking the market a bit, thinking the US is next. Oh, that there. So we got yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Shoulders a bit like this. So you got to move up here. This is what's this one? This one's a DOW. So you move up. It's like that. It's been trending higher, high highs, high lows, and it pushes down. Then you get that sort of move up when people might be. If you're boarded in here, you've got all these people buying it on the way up. That are now pressured, and it's started to break down. So if they're holding off from selling, and you get this sort of shoulder start to form, they're the ones who will be chasing the markets lower, trying to get out, selling it. So that's what we call a shoulder just in here, that sort of shoulder area. See that? So the market's just open by the looks of it. So I've just got a short order in at 693, 692. Yeah. So the text on the left, yeah, so I've got a short just in here to see if I'm trying that breakout. If I were to trade now, see if it can break down. It nearly got tagged, but it just missed it. Oh, no, hang on a sec. I want to put a stop in that too. I want to trade down here. So I'm just trying it through 48, I think. Yeah, even the Dow had a bit of a squeeze up. I thought that might have continued. So I'm looking for that. I want to see if we can break down through that. Was it 435, 450? So, so I'm only going for 10 points. It's just that flush down now. Well, if we can get through there. Yeah, bit of a reverse, isn't it? Hmm. All right. How's that? So that was your 10 points. Yeah, so that was a move. No, that was on the Dow. So that little pop through there gave us 10 points. So that's done for the strategy there. I want to see if this one works. I want to see how it works. So the problem with the Dow, it could probably be more. So there's your yeah. Yeah, but I reckon you're right with Nasdaq. I reckon that's just suckering in a few buys now. Actually gave us an extra only zero point 0.4. It's got 49 down to 38.6. Yeah, I reckon this is really good. This I like the Dow. It kind of follows through a lot better.